Alright, so what is up guys, and welcome back to another video. And most of you might be wondering,
why the hell am I on Windows 7 when it's out of date?
well, don't worry about that. I'm just using a virtual machine just for like little, like experimentation. I feel like whenever I make these kinds of videos, I might need to use a virtual machine just to give people a sort of more realistic view of what I'm going to do here. So like if you've read the title, I'm going to be showing you how to put a custom skin on your Discord, like PC client version. So right now I have my Discord here. Make sure to join, link in the description. So basically, there's many themes that you can actually use with Discord, and most people might be fine with this sort of like dark mode layout, but some people like a bit of customization, and I'm just going to show you how to do that pretty much. So right now, just make sure that you're logged into Discord, just do all that stuff. And this only works on the PC client editions. That's one thing I need to get out there. This does not work on phones because that's a completely separate platform, completely separate operating system, and it's very hard to do with that. So it's like this only works with PC client. Let's minimize out of that. So I'll be putting this zip file in the description, because this zip file has pretty much everything you need to get started. So what I've got here is Better Discord. So this is the client that we use to install custom themes on it. We can also code our own themes as well. So like if you have any CSS knowledge, then you can write your own code and basically create your own themes and plugins, etc. So basically what this is just it's just a client that runs on top of Discord every time you run it, and it just provides some extra some extra features, and the main thing being themes. So right now, like the reason I've got this on a zip file is because their website is currently down. So like if you go to their website right now, it just says their thing is down. It's literally but what you can do is go to Wayback Machine. So if we go to Wayback Machine, and then we basically just copy and paste this link in. There we go. So we can just paste this link in, and then you can actually just view this website of the latest time. And like this still works, to be honest. So just to give you an idea, I'll just show you what this website actually looks like. Yeah, so there we go. Here's the themes I was talking about, and since their website is down, that's why I've put in a few themes here just to get you started, just to mess around with. But you can go on their website and just look at their themes. They've literally got so much themes on here. It's actually insane. And the download links do work, so make sure to try that out. So pretty much what we're going to do is just start with installing the Better Discord client. So what we're going to do is run this, and hopefully, alright, so pretty much, here we go. So let's just accept the license agreement. Let's install Better Discord, and then click on Discord. So we're installing this to Discord application and not anything else. So don't worry about these two options. Make sure you click on the first Discord option and then press install. And pretty much the Discord should restart in the background. Yeah, it is restarting. So let's close that because the install was completed. So now Discord is restarting. So that's completely normal, guys. So don't worry about it. So I'll get back to you when Discord starts up, pretty much. Alright guys, so once you are done installing the Better Discord client, you should be able to see this in the settings panel. So there's a section called Better Discord, and the under things you can see here, and what we want to go through is themes. So this is where we can add the custom themes that we were looking for. So pretty much all you have to do is open the themes folder. So this is where we have to put in our themes. So let's minimize out of that. So now that the themes folder is open, let's also minimize that, and then let's just paste, copy and paste in, all of these themes. So let's just select all of these and then hit copy, and then we shall paste it into this folder. And there we go. That's it. That's literally it. That's literally it done. And there we go. Like the themes appear in the in the settings panel, and then we can enable and disable any one we want. So for example, we can even have a cyberpunk theme. That's just insane. So look at that. It'll start changing automatically, and then when we exit out of it, look at that. It looks sick. So there we go. There's a Cyberpunk theme, and then let's go back out and let's go back into themes, and we could disable the Cyberpunk theme, and then you can select like a different one. So for example, this Aurora one. So let's see what this looks like. Yeah, there we go. So this looks pretty damn sick. There we go. So there's the like this one looks amazing actually. Like it's got like a custom sidebar and everything. Yeah, honestly, that's how you do it pretty much. That's literally it. Just start by like installing the Better Discord client, like install it to Windows, and then the settings panel should come up, and then just copy over all the theme files. And also, like I mentioned, you can use the Wayback Machine to view more themes and download them too. It's the same principle. Just download them and then copy them over to the themes folder. That's literally it. If we go to their Discord server, then like say if the Wayback Machine method doesn't work, then you can go on their Discord server, and then there's a channel called Official Theme List, and they've literally posted like all of their themes onto here as well. So you can preview them here and then download them. They've literally put on thousands and thousands of themes, so you can go through these and pretty much download them. So that's pretty much it. It's a very short video. I've got nothing else much to say after that. It's just a like a very fun video on how to customize your Discord pretty much. And to be honest, loads of people have asked for this ever since they've seen me use the themes. So hopefully this is useful to you as well. So pretty much, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and while you're at it, join the Discord server, man. Honestly, like the link is in the description. Just join the Discord server, make it huge, make it pop, honestly. So pretty much, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.